There is a kind of sacrifice that doesn't make a sound, and I learned what that was just by watching the five of you. Looking back from the sleepless nights to the long years of trying to figure out who I am, I realized that every single one of you gave up a piece of your own comfort just so I could build my own future. This journey wasn't easy, and there were so many times I wanted to drop everything, but you guys were always the ones to pull me back. As I celebrate this milestone, I want you to know how much I appreciate everything. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano kalaki yung naitulong niya sa akin. Maraming salamat mga ate at kuya. And I just felt I had to say this. If you'll indulge me for a moment, I have a message for you all, straight from the bottom of my heart. To my Ate Mika, you are the sister who did almost everything for our family. Even now, total adult na ako, you still treat me as your little bongi sister. But you know what? I may not be everyone's favorite, pero okay lang. Kasi paborito naman ako ng Ate Mika ko. And that is more than enough for me. Thank you, Ate, for the endless help, the traits, and the unwavering support you gave. Thank you for being born first, because honestly, if I were you, I couldn't imagine surviving it. I couldn't imagine what my life would be, and I definitely couldn't imagine a life without you. Thank you for standing up for yourself and for us when our family couldn't. Please don't be too hard on yourself. You've come so far, and seeing you now with your own happy, beautiful family is a reminder that everything you fought for was worth it. To Ate Erika, with you, I always felt completely protected. You are the one who is willing to do the most ridiculous thing para lang ipagtanggol ako at lahat kami ng mga kapatid mo. Ikaw yung matapang at matatag na nakilala ko dahil nakita ko kung paano mo hinarap lahat ng hamon mo sa buhay at alam kong hindi naging madali pero kinaya mo. You've been my number one go-to person when it comes to school-related, from elementary days up until college. You are hands down and the most resourceful person I know. Naalala ko pa noong grade 5 ako. Nag-effort ka gumawa ng costume ko for Halloween party. Hinanapan mo ako ng masusuot sa ukay-ukay at other alternatives sa Pandayan Bookshop. Then, the day came. Pagdating natin sa school, walang katao-tao. Ako lang yung tanging bata na naka-costume. Mali pala ako ng pagkakaintindi sa announcement. Mali yung araw at oras. Hindi ka nagalit. Dinaan mo lang sa tawa kahit pinagpaguran mo na ayusan ako. Lumabas tayo at binilhan mo pa ako ng pagkain at tubig. Dahil sobrang hiyang-hiya ako, binilhan mo pa ako ng sisiw na may kulay para gumaan ang loob ko. At ito yun. Thank you, Ate, for always being a supportive sister through every chapter of my life. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa akin, sa mga hinahanda mong pabaon sa akin noon. Pag pumapasok ako, ngayon natutunan ko ng maging matapang at matatag dahil sa iyo. Maraming salamat, Ate. Mahal na mahal kita. To Ate Ika, seeing you growing up became an eye-opener for me that life is not an easy journey. I once said that I don't wanna be like you, a person who sometimes can be hard to deal with. Kasi away bati tayo. But I know We have our differences, but most of the time, I needed you. I needed someone like you who's always been patient and brave. And that doesn't change the fact that you're my sister. And I love you more than words can say. Naintindihan ko ang takbo ng buhay nang dahil sa'yo. Hindi mo man sinasabi pero nakikita ko lahat ng ginagawa mo. Para sa akin at para sa pamilya mo. You always keep pushing, trying, and giving, even when you feel empty. For winning silent battles you don't talk about. You might feel like you're not doing enough, but your presence in my life is more than enough. You are home to me, the quiet, constant kind of love that catches me when the world forgets to be kind. Thank you, Ate, for protecting me, for never judging my mistakes, and for being my best friend. You deserve every good thing in this world, and I am incredibly proud of you. I love you, Ate. To Kuya Jomar, my twin, my best friend, and the one person I can trust no matter how messy life gets. Growing up with you wasn't just part of my childhood. It was my childhood. We laughed, played, fight, kasi you always do the most. And as we grow up, we made so many memories together. Even when we argued, I always knew you cared. You've managed to be the best male figure in my life. You are the person I run to when the world feels too heavy and when I am at my lowest. And somehow, you always know how to make me feel safe. Nakakatawa isipin na nag-iiyakan tayo sa calls pag parehas tayong malungkot at tayo lang ang nakakaalam nun. You've been there when no one else could be, keeping my secrets and protecting me in ways I don't even realize. Hindi ko man ito palagi sinasabi kasi lagi lang naman tayo nagbabardagulan sa chats. But I really appreciate everything you do. Thank you, Kuya, for being such a great person to me. Thank you for always hearing me out, for listening to my stupidness. Thank you dahil hindi ka nagdadalawang isip na bigyan ako pag kailangan ko ng pera. Thank you for everything. Mahal na mahal kita. To Ate Angelica, my unpaid therapist, my safe space, my biggest supporter, and the person who makes life feel a little less heavy. The one who would like to heal the pain of her siblings, a sister who cares, who knows whenever I'm feeling down, who knows how to cheer me up, who knows everything about me, who always tell me that I can do things I thought I couldn't. Whenever I'm hesitant, lagi mo lang sinasabi sa akin na, kaya mo yan, B. You are the person who claps for me when the world doesn't. Even without the trophy, you always message me just to tell me how proud you are. Even of the simplest little achievements na nagagawa ko. I know in my heart that I wouldn't have become the person I am today without you. You taught me how to be mature, to be practical, and you showed me that life has its ups and downs. And that's okay, kasi it's what makes us stronger and better. So, thank you, Ate. Thank you for not giving up on me. Thank you for always being there for me. And thank you for understanding instead of judging. Thank you for saving me countless times. Thank you for being my support system. And thank you for your sacrifices. Salamat, Ate. Dahil hindi mo ako sinukuan. Hindi mo naman ako responsibilidad na tulungan palagi. Pero lagi ka pa rin nandyan. Kasi nauna mo pang i-provide kung anong kailangan ko kaysa sa sarili mo. Di ako makakarating sa dulo ng pag-aaral ko sa kolehiyo kung hindi dahil sa iyo at sa inyong lahat ng mga kapatid ko. Bawat iyak, bawat puyat, at bawat pagod na pinagdaanan ko, kayo ang naging lakas ko sa likod ng lahat ng ito. May you never get tired of supporting my dreams and goals in life. I know I'm still far from where I want to be, but I'll get there. Maraming salamat, ate. Mahal na mahal kita. To my nanay. Nay, we did it. I hope I made you proud. Nay, para sa iyo to. Thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Thank you for believing in me kahit ilang beses ko nang gustong sumuko at tumigil. Nandyan ka palagi para bigyan ako ng lakas na magpatuloy. Hindi man naging madali ang lahat, pero kinaya ko dahil sa pagmamahal at tiwala na binibigay mo sa akin. Maraming salamat, Nay, sa mga akala mo ay simpleng bagay lang na ginagawa mo para sa akin. Pero ang totoo, napakalaking bagay nun. Yung pinaghahanda mo ako ng mga grocery galing sa mga binibenta mo sa tindahan. Yung mga pag-prepare mo ng mga gamit ko tuwing mag-OJT ako. At yung pagluluto mo ng pagkain tuwing uuwi ako. Lahat ng yun ay sobra-sobra para sa akin. I promise that one day I'll be able to give you the comfortable life you've always dreamed of. Your love and sacrifices have shaped me into who I am today, and I'll make sure it will all be worthwhile. Hintayin mo lang, Nay. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo dahil ililibot pa kita sa buong mundo. Mahal na mahal kita, Nay. Every challenge, everything, every late night, it was your belief in me that pushed me through. This achievement isn't just a personal milestone. It's a shared victory. I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I hope I've made you proud. Katulad ng mapa, bawat hakbang ko ay dala ang mga pangarap niyo para sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.